Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. Well, speaking of the foldable stylus, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 certainly is. It's the perfect form factor for stylus input. The experience is so powerful I'd even be willing to trade a little of the device's meager battery capacity to make it even better, because if Samsung wants to continue pushing the S Pen with foldables, the Fold 5 needs a slot. Stylus input generally, and the S Pen specifically, are nothing new thus far. Most stylus-optimized mobile devices have been either tablets, laptops, or flat phones, but none of these are as good for stylus input as a foldable. Large-screen foldables are a new form factor, just different enough from a traditional smartphone that the rules change. Even the largest smartphones like the Galaxy S22 Ultra make for a mediocre stylus canvas. They're too narrow to comfortably rest your hand while writing, and you can only fit a tiny, awkward stylus inside them. Big smartphones also tend to have curved edges to make them easier to hold in one hand, and that reduces the useful writing surface even further. Meanwhile, a tablet like the Galaxy Tab S8 or the iPad Pro for that matter is too large to hold while using the stylus. On the camera side, the cameras on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 aren't bad at all, but they aren't Samsung's best, despite it being the company's most expensive phone. Anyone who can spare the sort of money the Z Fold 4 costs is likely to want the best of the best, and on the camera front it just doesn't manage that. So for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 we want the phone to match the camera configuration of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which based on past form probably will have the company's best snappers. Most Samsung phones have rather slow charging, and the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is no exception. It tops out at 25W wired or 15W wireless, both of which are far lower than other flagships like the 150W OnePlus 10T or the 120W Xiaomi 12 Pro. We don't expect or need Samsung to reach those sorts of levels of charging power, but we'd like to at least see the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 split the difference and offer around 60W, 80W. Along with faster charging, we'd also like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 to have a bigger battery. At 4,400 mAh, the one in the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is average in size at best, and actually smaller than the batteries in plenty of conventional phones, but given that this has a huge foldable screen, it could do with a particularly big battery. So at a minimum, we want a 5,000 mAh one in the Z Fold 5. The single biggest issue with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is simply how much it costs, as this is one of the most expensive phones on the planet, almost making the iPhone 14 Pro Max look cheap by comparison, so we would like to see a price cut down on the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5. Well, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video, peace out.